This is a quick video for the solution of your dashboard problem. So here we go. I'm opening the questions you got on Blackboard. So the first question was how much was Where One's share over the 3 months, which during February, March, and April. So you had your dashboard ready as I advised. All you have to do is to select those specific months, uh, February, March, and April. Make sure you unfiltered all the filters that you might had clicked on before starting your assignment. So for where one, we have the share over here. So if you only picked the number as it is, as it looks, rounded around 50%, the answer was correct. Or if you were more specific in answering this question, as you can see when I hover on top of the orange slice, which represent the yes, it is where one, you will see the number is slightly different, which is 50.10%. And as I mentioned, Blackboard doesn't allow me to have more than one choice as an answer. However, whoever answered it, any of those two answers got the grade. Now, the question number two was about during this 3 months, in which state were one sold the most. So let us see again. So during this period of time, so we are looking at states, and again here the Y is where one, and apparently you might question which one of those two, Ontario or Alberta. If you hover on Alberta, you will see 16.48%, whereas the other one, Ontario, was 15.53. So the correct answer is Alberta. Now, question three. In question three was during this period, which segment were once sold the most? So we have to go and look at the segment chart from here. So as you can see, that was the highest, the moderation segment, and it's so obvious, this one. So hopefully you answered it correctly. The question number four was about the category. Which category were one sold the most? So we're going back here, and for the category, if you hover on top of it, you will see it was in the urban. So that was the answer for question 4, urban. Now question 5, what was the percentage of where one's revenue within the convenience segment? Okay, so here I'm specifying the value that you're gonna put for a revenue. So let us see again into the segment. So if you remember, the Y is the where one, so you are looking at the specific segment, the convenience segment, which this one here. So you can see the value is 16.85. Okay. Question number 6. Percentage of Victoria's revenues compared to everyone else during those 3 months, or during specifically February, was it bigger than 1%? So let's go back here. So when we talk about specific months, you will look at the timeline span. This is the one. And what I did, I just clicked on Victoria, which is the green in my case, and I right click and I said from here add a label. So let me unselect it in the time being so you will know what I did. Mm. Okay, so let me delete the selection. So all you have to do, make sure you know the color of that specific place, Victoria in this case, and you click on those dots that represent Victoria. Okay, right click, add data label, and I would like to have it outside so at least you can get the value. Let me do the same with this one. Okay, and the first one. I don't want to have value for all the shards. So in questions, let's go back and put this next to it. So your question 6 was in February, was it bigger than 1%? Here is this February, it was 0. They didn't sell at all that month. So no, the answer, and it was 0%, 0.00%. I just have to be so specific with Blackboard. I'll try to find a way around those specifications in upcoming assignments. The following question will be in March. Was it bigger than 1%? No, it wasn't. It was 0.42% compared to everyone else. The last one was Victoria Venue less than 1%. Yes, it was less than 1%. It was 0.73%. So those who were still concerned about their assignment, you can go ahead and watch the video and try to look at your answers. That's it.